I look like an old tourist. On our way to City Walk. They got a few of these though. Yeah, we're getting closer to the City Walk. Close to the live action. A lot of people out tonight. It's a beautiful night, beautiful weather. Out with the family. Sites out here, got a Margaritaville. So I had the drone up for a little while, and then security made me bring it down. So I got a little bit of footage. I don't know how good it is, but I'll put that footage up. But yeah, that was a bummer.